So, look, if you're planning to start an LLC in Wyoming, there's something I wish more people knew upfront. Most folks turn this into a way bigger headache than it needs to be. And honestly, I get why. When you first dive into Wyoming's formation steps, it feels like this maze of legal wording, forms, and requirements. And that's usually the point where people start feeling stuck because you've got the name, search, the Wyoming Articles of Organization, the registered agent requirement, the operating agreement, the EIN, and then Wyoming has a couple of special rules that make things feel more detailed than other states. And you're probably thinking, is this really supposed to be easy? So yeah, I completely get the overwhelm. And that's exactly why I always recommend not doing this manually. You don't need to spend hours trying to interpret legal paragraphs or hoping you filled something out the right way. A much smarter option is using a formation service that guides you through everything step by step and avoids all the common mistakes. And here's the part people almost never mention. After testing multiple LLC services for different projects, there's one that consistently made the whole process smoother and way less stressful for me. And that's Taylor Brands. They explain everything clearly, file documents properly, keep you compliant, and make sure none of the details slip through the cracks. So yeah, if you want the easiest way to start a Wyoming LLC without paying a lawyer or wasting an entire weekend wrestling with paperwork, just use the Taylor Brands link in the description or pinned comment because my link automatically applies the discount for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this saved you some time with your Wyoming LLC. If this video helped you out, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.